Today's Islands Day. Which is here at Manukan Island. See? Okay, so the plan today is to be here from 10:30 till 3 and then we head home. The weather's perfectly fine today. We got here in time, but we do have a slight issue this morning. No parking near the Josephine Point. Now we gotta walk.
Under the heat.
Where are we going today?
We're going to Sapi, then Manukan.
Manukan 2 hours.
Manukan 2 hours.
Just go one island. Pergi Manukan terus lah.
Di Manukan 2 hours?
Now we plan to go just Manukan alone because to spend time in Pulau Sapi takes too long. Wanted to do 2 island hoppings today, but after hearing that we're gonna move to another island at 1 o'clock, now it's about 10 o'clock. By the time we reach the first island, it will be around
10:30.
10:30, and to wait until 1 in such a small island, we decided not to. So we decided to go with just 1 island today. What are we doing here?
We're only going one island. So sad.
Remember the last time we go, it was like raining after halfway through
Oh
the
yeah, you can see the clouds come and it was very, very dark.
trip. Yeah. The clouds were coming while we were riding the boat, and we knew it was
the
gonna rain.
rain falls on your face like bullets. Oh my gosh, it's so hard.
It was painful, but it was nice at the same time.
If you want an island hop, take bigger companies. They have more boat. They have more timing to choose, not just one.
If you don't have your ticket, they're gonna throw you into the sea. Little fishies. Hey, fishy. Fishy. Water today, it looks very clean, very clear. It's a good day to be out in the island. Taken. Trying to look for a table, and it's all taken.
There.
Where? Oh. Just when we lost all hope, we found a table. First thing to do when you reach the island is to apply a little bit of sunscreen so that you don't get dark. Is my face too white? Did I apply too much? I look pretty.
We are
Is
equipped.
safe ready with your life jacket?
We are equipped.
Huh?
Equipped.
Safe. What happened just now?
I called the parasailing people. The stuff I asked, what are the other options for their timing? Because 11:30 is too soon. But then he was like, I can't. I haven't even finished talking to him, but he just hang up the phone.
You pay to go sailing, and yet they control your time without telling you the time. I don't understand.
There's no option. What time is it actually? Besides 11:30?
No, because depends on the weather. Sometimes the weather is not good.
Because they didn't inform us in the
Yeah, because all water sports here, you need to do earlier.
So, can they join us to film?
Sure, why not?
So if you want to go parasailing, you gotta follow the timing. Did they inform you of the time?
Absolutely not.
Is that your fault? It's not really our fault, but it'll be nice if they told you the time. Me and Andrea's not gonna go parasailing. We're just gonna watch these two go because we went before. And yeah, I'm not gonna do it again.
I hate heights.
Oh yeah, remember when I told you that my sister's afraid of heights? Today's the day you see that.
Why am I doing this?
Holding the GoPro. I actually don't trust her with that. So wet.
Scary. It's scary. Your eyes are scary. I can't see. One is so water. I'm blind. She said something funny. She said the water tastes salty.
The water tastes salty.
Hey, don't do this.
This is not fresh water, you know.
This is not fresh water. This is the sea.
It's time to go. Look at my hair. New hairstyle. Yeah. Thank you.
All bags.
Where's our bags?
Here.
Since you're scared of heights, will you do that again?
No, never. People are meant to be on the ground. Not up there.
Oh, good. Nobody took our table.
Yeah. And we got another one. You're here.
Goodbye, Ellen.
Here we go.
It was a hard one. Made it. I'm okay. It was a great ride. The sea was so rough just now. The boat kept rocking up and down, and the water splashed on me. They didn't get splashed. They all wet.
All dry. Oh yeah. Why is wet? Yeah.
So I'm gonna end the vlog here and now because the day has ended for us. We all had a good time, tired and ready to go home. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and
赵金超。